Which Casio G-Shock should you really choose? It's a simple question, but with so many options out there, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, I'm here to help you cut through the noise. Product number 1, DW9052 Series. Let's kick things off with the Casio DW9052 Series. This men's digital watch caught my eye with its sleek black design and super affordable price of just $59.92. If you want a reliable watch that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the shock-resistant feature ensures it can handle drops and bumps, perfect for those who lead an active lifestyle. The electroluminescent backlight is a game saver. It provides clear visibility in low light so you can check the time anytime, anywhere. It also includes a stopwatch and countdown timer, which can be really handy if you're into fitness or just need to time your activities. Now, some users mention that the design feels a bit bulky on smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a tough watch, this isn't meant to be dainty. It's built for durability, and that's what really matters. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, tough watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle. Skip this one if you prefer a slimmer watch design. For the price, you're getting fantastic value for quality. Now, if the bulkiness of the DW9052 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, GA101A1. Next up is the G-Shock GA101A1, priced at $78.85. This watch has a sporty and rugged design that really stands out. If you want something that looks tough and performs even tougher, keep listening. The GA101A1 is not just about looks, it's packed with features that solve your needs. It features both shock and magnetic resistance, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and those who are in active professions. The auto-LED light with afterglow ensures you can read the time easily in low light conditions. With a 4.6-star rating from over 7,400 reviews, it's clear this watch has found its fan base. However, some users have noted that the analog-digital combo can be a bit tricky to read at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the functionality becomes second nature. It's worth a bit of a learning curve for such a solid watch. This is perfect for you if you want a rugged watch that can handle outdoor activities without sacrificing style. Skip this one if you prefer a more classic or minimalist look. It's a great balance of form and function for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something with a bit more tech. Product number 3, DW9052 Series 2. Now let's check out another version of the DW9052 series, also popular at $62.26. If you want a watch that combines functionality with a rugged aesthetic, this is definitely worth considering. This model also features 200-meter water resistance and is shock-resistant, making it ideal for adventure seekers. With a precision stopwatch and countdown timer, it's tailor-made for timing workouts or daily tasks. Plus, the multi-alarm feature means you'll never be late again, and the auto calendar programmed until 2099 is a huge plus. With a 4.7-star rating from over 10,200 reviews, this watch has really made waves. Some people mention that the size could be a bit overwhelming, especially for those with smaller wrists. But honestly, it's designed for durability, so if you need a watch that can take a beating, this is a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable watch that's packed with features for daily use. Skip this one if you need something more lightweight or slim. It's great value for what you get. If you're looking for something a bit different in terms of style, let's move on to the next watch. Product number 4, GD101B. Now let's talk about the G-Shock GD101B, priced at $70.98. This watch has a bold, rugged design that really appeals to tactical and extreme sports enthusiasts. If you want durability with a sleek look, this one's for you. The GD101B is built for performance with a high-brightness LED backlight that provides excellent visibility in low light. Plus, the extended 7-year battery life means you won't have to worry about changing batteries frequently, making it super convenient. With a 4.7-star rating from over 2,000 reviews, it's clear users appreciate its reliability. One downside some users pointed out is that the matte finish can scratch easily. Here's the thing, if you're using it for rugged activities, minor scratches are a small price to pay for such a durable watch. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that combines bold design with extreme durability. Skip this one if you're looking for something more formal or dressy. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're after a watch with a bit more sophistication but still tough, let's check out the final product. Product number 5, GA 700UC Series. Finally, we have the men's 700UC Series G-Shock at $110. This watch features a super matte finish and a sleek design that sets it apart from the rest. If you want a watch that looks stylish while still being incredibly tough, this is your best bet. This model also boasts 200-meter water resistance and is shock resistant, making it ideal for various water sports and outdoor activities. It includes an LED light that's bright enough to light up dark environments, and the world time feature is great for travelers. With a full auto calendar and an impressive battery life of approximately 5 years, it's designed to keep up with your busy life. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 10,900 reviews, it's clear that people love this watch. A few users mentioned that the hands can sometimes get in the way of reading the digital display. But honestly, once you get accustomed to it, it offers a unique aesthetic that many find appealing. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet tough watch that can handle daily wear and tear. Skip this one if you need a watch that's purely digital or more straightforward. It's worth the investment for its design and durability.